Your book is Primary Mathematics, Book 3A. You can see the picture. Explanation with solution from page number 47 to 52. Page number 47 of our chapter number 2, workbook 3A. So first you have to write your name, class and date. This is your review 2. So let's start. Add or subtract mentally. Here you have to add the numbers or subtract the number mentally. So here we have the complete space to solve the numbers. So number 1 is 11 plus 26. So what we have to do, we just simply have to write 11 and 26. So 11 plus 26 is 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 11 plus 26 is 37. Next is 259 plus 21. So again we have to make the rough work. 259 plus 21. We always have to write the number in ones and tens column. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we are going to write 0 here and 1 on the next number. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and 2 same as it is. So it becomes 280. Again we have to add 146 with 35, 179 with 399. Now let's try the subtraction. 98 with 13. This is the symbol of subtraction. So 3 subtract from 8 is 5 and 1 subtract from 9 is 8. So it becomes 85. Same as it is, you can solve the remaining questions with the complete rough work. Move on to the next page, page number 48. Open your books with me so you can easily solve the sums with me. So page number 48 is add or subtract. Here you have to add or subtract these numbers. Write the letter that match each answer. First you have to find out the answer. Then you are going to write the letter as it is given here. So number 1 is 7 minus 2. 2 minus 7 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 9 minus 1 is 8. 8, 4, 2, 5. 8,425. So 8,425 is 8,245 is O. So here we have to write O. Now again we have to solve the next number, which is 999 and subtract it with 8,139. So it becomes 9,138. We have to add these numbers. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 on the next number. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 here and 1 on the next number. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 and 1 on the next number. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is addition. Now 9,138. 9,138 is R. So we are going to write R here. Same as it is, we have to solve the remaining questions and then we have to write the letter from 3 words across. So the letter from 3 words across is W-O-R-K, work, W-I-T-H, with C-A-R-E, care, work with care. Next page is page number 49. So here we have to add or subtract. Show your working in the space provided. Here you have the working space and here you have to write the answer only. So first I have write 2,738 and the remaining number 96 is, we have to write these number from the right side. So we can easily arrange the numbers 6 in 1 columns and 9 in 10 columns. Now add 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 and 1 here. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 and 1 here. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2 as it is. So the answer is 2834. Number B question is 7517 subtract with 6689. Here you have to take the borrow because we cannot subtract 9 from 7, we cannot subtract 8 from 1 and we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So we are going to take the borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6, 5 becomes 15 and then it gives borrow to the next, so it becomes 14. 11 becomes 10 and finally 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, 14 minus 6 is 8 and 6 minus nothing, so it means the number remains same as it is. You have to solve the remaining two questions. Move on to the next page, page number 50. Here we have an what problem? Beena has 5690 in her coin bank. She takes rupees 1480 from her coin bank. How much money is left in her coin bank? So left is the keyword for the subtraction. It means we have to subtract 5690, the total coins she have, and 1480, the coins she takes. So when we subtract these two numbers, we get the answer 4210. It means that 4210 is left in her coin bank. Number 5 is a shop ordered 3500 calculator in November and 3800 calculators in December. So, how many calculators did the shop order in 2 months altogether? So here we have the symbol altogether. This is the keyword of addition. So we have to add the calculators a shop bought at November and the calculator shop bought in December. When we add these two numbers, we get the answer, which is 7300. So the shop was ordered 7300 calculators in the 2 months altogether. Page number 51. Again we have a word problem here, which is at a bookshop 3694 books were sold in November. 478 fewer books were sold in December than in November. How many books were sold in December and how many books were sold in 2 months altogether? So what you have to do is you have to simply first you have to find the books sold. You have to subtract the number of total books and the books fewer. When you subtract these, let's subtract. You cannot subtract 8 from 4, so we are going to take the borrow from the neighbor. 9 become 8 and 4 become 14. Now 14 subtract 8 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 3 same as it is. So here you can see 3216. It means that 3216 books were sold in December. Number B, how many books were sold in 2 months altogether? So here we have 3694 plus 3216. Now add these numbers. When we are going to say all together, it means we have to add the numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 11. 6 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it means 6910 books were sold in the 2 months altogether. Page number 52. Okay, now word problem number 7. Page number 52. Let's start. There were 4,000 chickens and ducks at a farm. After selling some of them, there were 856 chickens and 587 ducks left. How many chickens and ducks were sold? Simply we have to add the chickens and ducks left. It means 1443 chickens and ducks were left. So we are going to subtract the left chickens and ducks from the total. When we subtract this number from the total, we get 2557. It means that 2557 chickens and ducks were sold altogether. So here we are going to complete the chapter number 2 in our workbook. We are going to start chapter number 3 in the next video.